This is my garden room, bottom of the garden. I built it last year and it's never really had a proper purpose. We kind of dump crap in here. It's got a dartboard, it's got gym stuff, there's a sofa which is in the process of being sold and an armchair. They're just going to have to be in the way for a little while. My plan is to turn this into a woodworking shop that I can actually build stuff in, and it'd be really nice. I've got some wood down there which I bought last week and I'm going to build a workbench out of. It's a rite of passage, it's a cliche but it's true. And yeah, there's actually no electricity down here, which could be an issue, but I've got a massive cable reel and it needs to be massive because you could probably tell from the start of this video my garden is long. So yeah, first things first, I'm going to get some electricity down here, put some lights on so you can actually see what I'm doing, and then I'll get tidying.
I just want to take a minute to say thank you for watching. I'm a brand new channel and hitting the like button and subscribing really helps, and it's completely free.
So here's the plan. I'm going to paint the walls. I'm going to put some tools up, some shelves, make it look really nice. I'm going to build a workbench in the corner, which I'm really looking forward to, but I'm not going to do it all in this video. I need a pencil and some paper. Well, we're getting there. There's still some to do. This paint's coming out a little bit green in real life. It's supposed to be black, but hey, OSB's notoriously hard to paint as well, so I think it's going to need another coat. Well, it's the next day and that paint looks really nice. It's actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would after yesterday because it was looking a bit green. It's sort of a matte black. I really love it. I think it looks really great. I've got to do this side. Don't think I've got enough paint left though, because that side took a lot of paint, and yeah, I might get half this wall done. Well, I've painted this side. It's had 2 coats. Did I have enough paint? No.
I spent the rest of this day planning, looking for inspiration and ideas. I still didn't get that pencil and paper. And then it got dark. And as I lay there on the floor, for some reason, I asked myself 2 burning questions. First, should I paint the ceiling? And second, should I buy some garden lights? Yeah, I should probably buy some garden lights.